Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again with a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can change delivery address in Amazon Shopping in 2026. This should be a very simple video, so make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can get the full information. Now, once you have put an order and you have chosen your location and put all the information necessary, the order should be located and basically delivered to that location. But sometimes you would need to change the delivery address, maybe because you have changed the place where you are. Maybe you had some reasons, doesn't matter. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do so. First of all, you need to go and change your order information. So to get that, you need to go to orders, and here you will find all the list of orders that you have placed within the last 30 days, the last 3 months, or the last year, depending on the range of year that you will change or choose by yourself. So once you have chosen the order, as you can see here, select the order details for the order that you want to change. Then select change next to the details that you want to update. Then follow the on-screen instructions. Note, if you are not on mobile device, you can only cancel the order, and basically you may find more options to change your order by using this computer. So if you are using mobile, this is not available for you guys. You need to get a computer so you can change the information. On mobile, you can only get to cancel the order. So to change an order now, this is it for normal orders from Amazon. But what about the third-party sellers? To update the shipping address of an order from a third-party seller, visit the contact a third-party seller. You will need to request a cancellation and order again. For information on how to cancel your orders, you need to go to their article and learn about it. And this is an entire different topic. So yeah, all the information today that I've shown you only are related to the Amazon services, not for third-party sellers. And yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Leave us some beautiful comments. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.